Hi, I'm Helen. I've been a dental nurse for over 30 years and I'm an expert in dental anxiety. I now help people overcome dental anxiety. Do you have some kind of fear or anxiousness about going to the dentist? And it can be just that tiny little bit, you go, oh, and you'll put it going off to the dentist. So this is where I'm able to help you. There are so many different fears around going to the dentist. There's fear of having an injection, gagging, and that leads to fear of dying, because if you gag, you're worried about water and swallowing and breathing, and it actually comes down to a fear of dying. Then there's fear of being out of control, don't like the numbing sensation, don't like the sound of the drills. I'm up to 5 already. What about the smell? Does it put you into a bit of a shaking mess, but you really don't understand why? I do. Do you hate lying back? Hate people being in your personal space? There's just honestly so many little bits and fears. Now these fears, I know that don't just start and end at when you go to the dentist. They will be across other areas of your life. If you look really closely, you'll think, that's similar to how I feel when I go to the dentist. Especially if you've got fear of having an injection, fear of needles. You won't be able to get boosters, vaccines, life-saving treatment. You will be so anxious trying to receive life-saving treatment like donate blood, plasma. What about having a general anaesthetic, being put to sleep? If you've got a fear of needles, it is, and not only will you not able to help you get better if you're going to have an injection of some sort, or what about means you can't even donate blood or donate plasma to help other people get better. So that fear of needles will be popping up in other areas of your life. I can guarantee it. It will not just be fear of needles. And it will come back to a bad experience where you felt the pain of having a needle or something like that. And it could have been when you were really quite young. But what happens is our mind wants to keep us safe. And it's just will always remind you again and again when you need to have that injection and needle, and your mind will go, no, I don't want that, because you're going to get pain and we don't want that. But the problem is it then doesn't serve you the next time you need to have an injection or a needle or some kind of something like that around that. It will always constantly remind you. So then you are stuck. You are stuck in that fear and you cannot move forward. You will be a shaking mess. Imagine getting over that fear. Imagine just walking along, booking that appointment, making that phone call, walking through into that room, and just having that needle that you need to help you get through, or to be able to give blood or give plasma to someone else that's in need. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Well, this is where I'm able to help you overcome that fear. So connect with me. Let's get on a phone call. I'd love to talk with you, and let's do this so you can move through life, because not only will you be able to have that, but you will also in other areas of your life. It's amazing.